Okay, it is 9 o'clock. It's the start of the regular trading session for natural gas. We can see on the 5 minute chart, prices were basing. We have the smart money institution just building up a position to decide where price is going to go next. Um, we can see that the hourly candle is opening bullish. It went down to potentially continue to move up. However, until we get into, okay, I'm going to take this long. Now, the only issue with me going long here is on the 8 hour chart. We have price bumping up against the uh, blue simple moving average. Okay, let's get into the news real quick. This is coming from the Wall Street Journal. Natural gas prices rising for a fourth straight session. Natural gas prices are heading higher for a fourth consecutive session as bullish investors appear to be moving back into the market on the expectation that summer heat and possible hurricanes will give a price supportive boost to gas demand. Prices are nearly 50% lower year to date, but the EIA in a monthly outlook report yesterday said the market is likely to see a bounce during the summer months as production declines slightly and power plant begins to use more natural gas now that consumers and businesses are starting to crank up their air conditionings. The cheap prices for gas is also causing power plants to use more gas and less coal. All right, so let's go back to the charts. And again, if we go to the daily chart, what we can see is that we had this huge move higher a couple of weeks ago, and then we had profit taken, which brought prices back down to nearly the origin of the strong move higher. We can see that price bottomed at $2.13. And again, prices have been up for several days now. From the daily chart, we can go as high as this 238, which is where the this is the 89, and the orange is the 20-day moving average converges. All right, so that becomes my first target, even though I have a target at the 100-day moving average up here. Okay. All right, so we are getting a pump higher. And what ideally what I'd like to see, this is the 8 hour chart. The next candle opening occurs at 10 o'clock. So obviously we want to see a close above the blue simple moving average. Let's go down to the 4 hour chart. All right, we're getting a pump right now. We do have volume kicking in. That's very bullish. Again, there's no real sellers until we get to the 238, like I said, which is on the daily chart where a couple of moving averages converge. Let's go down to the 2 hour chart. Again, not any real sellers. Again, this is the daily level where the two moving averages converge. We do have support, which is now going to be resistance. Okay, let's go down to the hourly chart. And we can see that the 9 o'clock hourly candle is bullish. We are getting a spike, which is great news. We can go definitely as high as this level here, which is where some sellers will start kicking in. Candle, that's a 9 o'clock candle, so this is a good opportunity to take some profits. This is a 9 o'clock candle on 531. All right, let's go down to the 60-minute chart. So we had a rally in price, a basing candle, and then a drop in price. So we definitely sellers here at this level above. We'll go down to the, all right, so now the candle has turned bearish, so maybe it's going down to go up. That's ideal. Okay, we go to the 15-minute chart. So we need to get a close on the 15-minute chart above the most recent pivots here in order to see price continue to move higher. This is the 5-minute chart. We need to see what occurs with this candle here. Maybe it is a fake out. Not sure as of yet. But that's the analysis on natural gas for 6-7. Let's see how things pan out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.